Michelle Murray, Executive Manager, Health Promotion Systems at VicHealth. Thank you for joining us today on the NSC Insights. Now, I know VicHealth have been a great supporter for the NSC over the last few years. Why do you think the NSC is so important for the work that you're doing?
Oh, thanks, Martin. So, yes, VicHealth has been pleased to support the National Sport Convention for several years. We've had a long and proud history of partnering with and investing in the sports and recreation sector in Victoria. I like to include investing in new participation programs for young people, for women and for girls as well, and other priority populations. Also commissioning research to understand emerging trends or considerations for sport and other forms of movement. Also providing community grants to local sports clubs and assisting sports organisations to become more welcoming and inclusive. So we see the National Sport Convention as a valuable opportunity to bring leaders and practitioners together to explore some of the key trends and opportunities for sport and recreation, including considering how we can support more people to be involved and reap the physical, mental and social health benefits. It's also fantastic to hear from colleagues from other states and internationally. We know that fresh ideas and new collaborations are crucial to positively impact the sports system.
Yeah, you're so right. And we love how VicHealth connects the dots between sport, play, and the outcomes that active lifestyles can really have. But it's not only our views. I think the people who come and speak from around the world also will appreciate the great work that you're doing. And again, this year we're bringing people over because we think the health agenda should be part of the dialogue and the narrative that we have. So we're really pleased that you're on board again with us. Are there any particular sessions this year that you're really keen on being part of or wanting to hear what people are saying?
Absolutely. Like I had a look at some of the themes. There's some great themes. The themes that attract me are the prioritizing inclusion through participation, creating cities that enable physical activity and movement, and also exploring innovation to adapt to changing community trends and interests. So what I'm looking forward to is being part of the big issue keynotes, session 8, the health agenda. And the two sessions that stand out for me are the Global Thought Leader session, children, our next generation of participants and leaders, and also the workshop session, I think it's 6.2, utilisation of space to create active environments locally.
Yeah, I think they're really good. And Ali Oliver, who's one of our headline speakers on that global keynote session, what she's doing with health promotion with children on the street, in schools, in leisure centres, really is amazing and is quite aligned to what you're doing. And what do you say to your peers in the industry if they're debating about coming along to the NSC this year?
What I like to do is really try and encourage young leaders to actually come to the convention because we've really focused our efforts on young Victorians from the age of 0 to 25 years, and focusing on those who face greater barriers to good health. So would really like to emphasise the importance of the convention to those people. But also, we're really excited to have future leaders as part of the conference program to elevate, enable and inspire young people, acknowledging the importance of their representation and voice in the sport industry.
Yeah, I think that's right. And this year we've also got a number of students, young students coming in with one of their teachers to tell us the reality of what they feel about active lifestyles within schools. Is that about sports and pathways? Is that about health and well-being? What is it that we need to change about how we look at activity for youngsters? So we're really grateful for you being on board as well, our key sponsor for the Young Leaders Programme again. And thank you. We look forward to seeing you, Michelle, and your team on the 27th and 28th of June at the NSC and IAKS Joint Global event. Thank you very much.